straight?
Yes.
What is this?
Came from that there. Nothing. It was so bright.
It's really
That's
nice
so
now.
bright.
So nice.
Yeah, it's only. How come it's not as busy anymore? Oh no, there's a lot of people there. We got here last time. It's like almost like 2 p.m. Was it summertime? When did we come here? When did we go here? Yeah, last time we went here was like everything here is like full of people.
There's people out there kayaking right now. See,
Did ako doon?
the range is awful.
Yeah.
Oh, did you push it twice?
Usually when it beeps twice, it means that it's open, right?
Yeah.
This offensive. Define.
I still love how it ends in men and they haven't thought about that.
You walk here. Oh, it's women. The who is covered first.
The low is actually no men.
Wait, is that a house? People live there? Yeah. He has a dog to see. German Shepherd. Remember your mom? We waited here. Then the guy.
A little bit windy, yeah.
You know what I mean? What are you looking at? There.
Maybe a raven or a hawk.
Did you see that? It's a hawk, probably. Is that under submerged? We kayak all the way there.
You'll feel dizzy.
We kayak all the way there.
Around.
No, all the way there first, and around this thing. And then
Oh,
all
yeah.
the way back there.
But I'm so disappointed because we went against
Probably. But right now the current's this way. The current, see? No, the current's going that way.
Yeah. If you go here, go here. Come here. And look down.
Looks like you're in water.
No, it looks less dizzying. Right? It feels like you're gonna fall that way.
What's happening to those? They're fighting.
Yeah, they're chasing the other one away. See?
One's a female, no?
Oh yeah, right.
Yeah, one's a female. See, the other one's chasing away the.
That is that the part. That's the part where you're screaming. That side, no?
Yeah.
It's really nice here. Yeah, it's really nice here.
I can't believe the kayak's here. It's actually far. It's not.
Do you think somebody put that in there or is that growing there, that tree?
I think it's going in there.
Yeah. We didn't even research this place, no? It's your mom just said to go here?
No, I think it was me because I was looking for... I looked for a kayak rental place first and then where that they delivered to, and this is one of the options that they delivered here. So I was like, oh, let's go here.
Oh, I think it's me that's saying Warnock Lake. I mean this lake. Doesn't matter. But it's nice though, no? I can't believe we kayaked here.
That smells good. Whatever they're cooking.
I want to barbecue something now.
Smells good. Whatever they're cooking. It's barbecue chicken or pork. Oh, it's barbecue.
Barbecue. Most likely pork. Most likely pork and
Chicken.
pork, chicken and